Oh, you have to say that.
Flashy.
Not his type.
Yeah. That doesn't mean.
Oh my god. You look like you
Yeah, I
poisoned
think
yourself.
What?
I love it.
Today we're gonna try Perfect Date Lipstick.
Break up.
Break up.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Eva and I'm from Hong Kong.
Hi, I'm Shivani and I'm from Hong Kong as well. And today we're gonna be trying to find the perfect lipstick for a date night. Okay, so we've got 3 shades and 3 brands here.
I'm gonna try it on our hands first, like
Yeah.
swap it to see how it goes. And then we'll pick our favorite one and try it on our lips. It's a very nude color. And it comes good. Like this.
It's so nice.
Yeah, I love this one. I love this one already.
New shot and so matte. It is the most pigmented out of all of them. I think I might pick this one.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello. My name is Luca and I'm from Germany. My personal preference, I must say, I usually would go with something more matte. So I think on the right side, he's like flashy.
Not his type.
Yeah, I like it shiny, but then a little bit more. Definitely, I think. That doesn't mean.
Hi, my name is Diane.
I'm Zoe.
And I'm from planet Earth.
From Mars, I guess.
And today we're gonna be looking at perfect lippies for date night.
Break up.
Break up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll have one last date and I'll be like, bye bye.
My lip balm in wild hibiscus. You have all the funky colors. Don't
Yeah,
complain.
I'm funky.
I feel like my colors are too gentle. Oh my god. Oh, the vampire color.
This is the
Like dried blood. Sure.
Look at that. Look at the difference. This is the Holika.
I
And
think
then-
your colors are definitely more break-up-y than mine.
At least you're.
This is basic.
At least you're like. But the glossy one's quite nice.
Hey!
Hi, I'm Angela, and I'm from Hong Kong.
Yeah. Can you guess what kind of date look we're preparing for?
A dinner. Is this the date where you're like breaking up?
Oh my god!
Yes.
He knows us.
I feel like this is really nice. It's glossy.
Thank you.
But I feel like if this is the breakup date, I would go for the dark.
Hello?
Just to be extra intimidating, you know?
Very.
Don't come back.
It's like sexy that like come hither look. I win! Konnichiwa, I'm Nami from Japan. Hola, I'm Carla from Guatemala. And today we're gonna try Perfect Date Lipstick!
I'm gonna take this one, honey effect one, the middle one. It's much natural. Seems natural, not too. Yeah, for dating, I think I will go for maybe this one. Number 22, Cinnamon Dream from Clio.
Hi!
I'm Thibaut from France. Yeah. So I prefer the one of Nami because it's. I would say the color is more pink than this one, which is more like red, like wine. This one is a bit brighter, more finished.
Follow us on the YesStyle's for memes.
Memes!
Memes! I am the meme queen.